What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. Now just simply tap on this button to turn it off and turn it on. And after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and tap on this power icon, and then from this menu tap on restart. Now again tap on this restart option here to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the Bluetooth issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end, and here tap on general management, and then in general management scroll down and tap on reset. Now here scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then again tap on this reset settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on it on this option here, it will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings back to factory default, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.